Nectar is a sweet fluid made by honeybees utilizing the nectar from blossoms. It is reviewed by shading, with the unmistakable, brilliant golden nectar regularly bringing a higher retail cost than the darker assortments. 1. Healing injuries and consumes. There have been a few cases where individuals have announced constructive outcomes of utilizing nectar in treating wounds. An audit distributed in the Cochrane Library demonstrated that nectar may have the option to help recuperate consumes. The lead creator of the examination said that topical nectar is less expensive than different intercessions, outstandingly oral antimicrobials, which are frequently utilized and may have different pernicious symptoms. Be that as it may, there is an absence of proof to completely bolster this case. Actually, an investigation distributed in the Lancet Infectious Diseases presumed that applying clinical evaluation nectar to the injuries of patients has no bit of leeway over ordinary antimicrobials among patients experiencing dialysis. Nectar ought to never be given to youthful newborn children as it can cause botulism, an uncommon however serious kind of food contamination. 2. Reducing the term of loose bowels. As indicated by Explore put together audits with respect to nectar, it has been appeared to diminish the seriousness and length of looseness of the bowels. Nectar additionally advances expanded potassium and water admission, which is especially useful while encountering loose bowels. Research that occurred in Lagos, Nigeria proposes that nectar has likewise demonstrated the capacity to obstruct the activities of pathogens that usually cause looseness of the bowels. 3. Preventing heartburn. Ongoing examination has demonstrated that nectar can decrease the upward progression of stomach corrosive and undigested food by coating the throat and stomach. This has assisted with decreasing the danger of gastroesophageal reflux ailment (GERD). GERD can cause irritation, indigestion, and acid reflux. 4. Fighting diseases. In 2010, researchers from the Academic Medical Center at the University of Amsterdam revealed in FASB Journal that nectar's capacity to eliminate microscopic organisms lies in a protein called defensin-1. A later report in the European Journal of Clinical Microbiology and Infectious Diseases demonstrated that a particular sort of nectar, called Manuka nectar, can help forestall the microscopic organisms Clostridium difficile from settling in the body. C. Difficile is known for causing serious looseness of the bowels and ailment. A few examinations have uncovered that Manuka nectar may even be powerful for the treatment of MRSA contaminations. Dr. Jenkins finished up. Manuka and different nectars have been known to have wound recuperating and hostile to bacterial properties for quite a while. In any case, the manner by which they act is as yet not known. In the event that we can find precisely how Manuka nectar restrains MRSA, it could be utilized all the more every now and again as a first-line treatment for contaminations with microscopic organisms that are impervious to numerous as of now accessible anti-infection agents. 5. Relieving cold and hack side effects. The World Health Organization (WHO) suggests nectar as a characteristic hack cure. The American Academy of Pediatrics likewise perceives nectar as a treatment for a hack. Notwithstanding, they prompt that nectar isn't reasonable for kids younger than 1 year. A recent report by Penn State College of Medicine proposed that nectar diminished evening time hackling and improved rest quality in kids with upper respiratory disease to a more noteworthy degree than the hack medication dextromethorphan. 6. Replacing included sugar in the eating routine. Nectar's sweet flavor makes it a perfect substitute for sugar in the eating routine. Included sugar in the eating regimen furnishes abundant calories with no wholesome advantage. This can prompt an expanded body weight, which accompanies an expanded danger of hypertension and diabetes. Nectar can be added to food and refreshments to improve the taste without the negative well-being effect of included sugars. In any case, since nectar is as yet a sugar, it is imperative to stay aware of how much nectar being is utilized. Restorative use. Nectar has been utilized to treat a wide cluster of sicknesses, infirmities, and wounds. It tends to be blended in with different cures and devoured or scoured onto the skin. Professionals of Ayurvedic medication have endeavored to utilize nectar as a solution for the accompanying stress, shortcoming, rest unsettling influence, vision issues, terrible breath, getting teeth torment, in kids longer than a year old, hack and asthma, hiccups, stomach ulcers, looseness of the bowels and diarrhea, regurgitating, bedwetting and visit P, hypertension, weight, jaundice, aftereffect alleviation, skin inflammation and dermatitis, consumes, cuts, and wounds, joint inflammation,